Hello everyone. I would like to welcome Dr. Deepak, who is the head of Agricultural Engineering Department at Maharashtra Institute of Technology. Thank you so much, sir, for being on our platform and taking out your time to be a part of an initiative, Thoughts on Education from College Dunia. So, sir, first of all, I would like to have your introduction and please brief us about your profile.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity to me. I am Dr. Deepak Bornare. I am heading Agricultural Engineering Department at Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Aurangabad. This is the AICTE approved program. I have completed my BTech in Agricultural Engineering from Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapith, Rauri, and PhD from IIT Bombay and PDF in Ben Gurion University, Israel. I got many fellowships from the different countries for the research, and I have been experienced as an associate professor and head of the department since last 15 years. I am looking this BTech in Agricultural Engineering program, MTech in Food Processing Technology program, and the BOT Food Processing, all the AICTE affiliated programs.
Okay, sir, it was good to hear about you. So, sir, should we start with the interview?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So my first question to you is, what is the latest program that you are offering in your institute which will help students outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
Yes. As you know that there are many programs nowadays in nation and the globe, but for the particularly in agricultural engineering, apart from the agricultural university, this is the first and one of the unique course which is started under the affiliation approval of the All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, that is popularly known as AICTE. This course is BTech in Agricultural Engineering, which is the first emerging area unique course approved by AICTE in Maharashtra state. This having curricula with high employability and skill learning opportunities.
Okay, sir. So, sir, as you mentioned, then what are the factors that make this program the best for the students to opt?
Yeah. Nowadays, agriculture mechanization is in boom. For the fulfilling the central government's third prime agenda, we know that is doubling the farmers' income. For the same, latest technology were included in the curricula, that is food processing, micro irrigation, precision agriculture, greenhouse management, etc., etc. Collectively, the most demanded agricultural engineer may develop through this course.
Okay, sir. So, sir, my next question to you is, what will you say the best practices in the course you are offering?
Yeah, nowadays GS Mandal's Maharashtra Institute of Technology got the grade A institution by NAC, and we have got the autonomy status by the UGC. On the basis of that, we have created and developed many best practices in agricultural engineering department. For example, hands-on training, experiential learning, earn and while learn, internship, bridge courses, value-added courses, personality development, competitive examination cell, extension work, implant training. These are all the best practices here in agricultural engineering department, while in graduation as well as post-graduation and the vocational courses.
Okay, sir. So, as you mentioned, then what are some valuable insights of the program that you are offering at your institute?
Yeah, this is an important thing while any career in the graduates, particularly in agricultural engineer, for the best employable skills adding, MIT Department of Agricultural Engineering established 2 micro enterprises for particularly this purpose. In this department, namely MIT Center for Analytical Research and Studies, and other one is the MIT Agriculture Research and Demonstration Center. These 2 micro enterprises cater the students and researchers' need in respect to insightful commercial training in agriculture, farm and testing till marketing of the produce. Along with department established highly precious farm and machinery laboratory, which student can earn the tractor functions for industry-ready work.
Yes, sir. So, sir, how does this program ensure that students are being prepared for the future?
Yes. So we have the academic monitoring and the feedback system. Particularly, we called it as a model, which we can assess the overall industry readiness of the students what industry exactly want and what we are delivering, whether it meets or not. That continuous feedback mechanism from the stakeholders, from the students, parents, industry, and other important part of the society. And we are getting on the basis of that. If we found any deficiencies, we are having the policy of modification and appropriate action and the change in the curricula or the designing the different bridge courses that are the best features in this program to assure that students are prepared for the future industry readiness or not.
Yes, sir, sure. So, sir, my next question to you is, how did you train your faculty to deliver this program to the students?
Yeah, most important part of the system, that is the faculty member and particularly the employees, particularly in Department of Agriculture Engineering. We have faculty members that are highly qualified. We say that they are coming from the IITs and the different premier institutions of the globe. Particularly, they got their MTech, PhD, and the PDF from different institutions across the globe, from Canada, USA, IIT Bombay, IIT Roorkee, IIT Delhi, etc. We have regularly organizing a faculty development program, industry experience workshop from reputed training and industrial institutes. As an outcome, faculty are prepared for the delivery most advanced tool to students. These are the unique features.
Yes, sir. So my next question to you is, how do you tend to build an industry connecting with this program?
This is the particular part we always say that academia and industry are the collaborative partner in the society, both having importance with each other functioning. For example, academia established for the industry and industry depends on the academia to get the better manpower for their functioning. MIT Agricultural Engineering Department having such a vision that, and they have collaborations with most advanced industry and institutions like Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Agricultural Sector Skill Council of India, Life Sector Skill Council of India, NIRI, ICT Mumbai, different agricultural university. Apart from this, department having strong connect in the industry like Jain Irrigation, TAFE, Netafim, Mahindra, and different industries which are having a very important and the key role in the society in agriculture.
Yes, sir. So, sir, my last question to you is, what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course?
Right. So, any students, they are interested in any program and they are always studying nowadays. Students and the recent generation, they are very smart. They are always studying the any career option before admitting it. So I would say that completing this undergraduate program, that is BTech in Agricultural Engineer, we popularly say that this is the agroneer, and this agroneer having a many wonderful opportunity as far as the career option. They become an entrepreneur in different agriculture units. Graduates may join the specialized government services like agriculture officer, as well as agriculture scientist in Government of India, and in many scheduled banks there is a key positions as an agriculture officer and managers. In private sector, they may join tractor and farm machinery industry as a marketing manager, design manager. Same the case in micro irrigation industry like Jain Irrigation, Netafim, Blastropassion, River Irrigation. They may join the design engineer as well as marketing engineer as a national head of the different capacity. Apart from this, they may join a soil and water conservation sector, agriculture scientist, greenhouse manager in precision farming units, and many more opportunities that are available after pursuing this course.
Yes, sir. Sir, it was very good to hear you, and thank you so much for connecting and for your valuable time. And I'm sure when students will see this, they will get more information about this course, and they will definitely see to it. And thank you for being a part of an initiative from College Dunia Thoughts on Education. Thank you again for joining.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.